Hey everyone, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Just wanted to show you a new product we have for the Can-Am X3. It's a center console cover to cover up the pocket behind where we mount the PMX radio. Now come with me real quick and I'll show you how we install it. Alright, on the passenger side, all you have to do is remove the two factory clips, slide the panel up into place, and reinstall your clips. Now in the front, you're going to take a 21/64 drill bit and drill a hole. And then use the provided clip. Alright, for the driver's side, we're going to do the same thing like the passenger side, only there are no clips to remove. You just slide the new panel in, and we'll have to drill our holes. Make sure you get everything lined up where you want it. It should line up with the factory seam. And drill your holes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos in the future.